Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to update Gmail password in iPhone settings, step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your iPhone. Look for the Gmail icon on your home screen. It is the white envelope with a red border. Tap it once to open. If you have moved icons around, you might need to swipe left or right through your screens to find it. When Gmail opens, you should see your inbox with a list of emails. Once Gmail is open, look to the very top right corner of the screen. You will see a small circle with a picture or a colored letter. That is your profile icon. Tap directly on that circle. This tells Gmail which Google account you want to manage, which matters if you have more than one account signed in. Now a small panel appears from the top, showing your account details. In this panel, find the button that says Manage Your Google Account. It is usually near the middle of that pop-up and easy to miss if you tap too quickly. Tap Manage Your Google Account once, and the screen will change to your Google Account settings page. From here, look toward the top of the screen for the row of tabs. You will see options like Home and maybe others, and one of them says Personal Info. Gently tap on Personal Info. The page will switch, and you will now see information related to your name, birthday, and account details. If you tap the wrong tab, simply tap Personal Info again to come back. Next, scroll down this Personal Info page until you see a section that mentions password. On most phones, this appears under a heading called Google Password. Use one finger to swipe up slowly so you do not skip past it. When you see Google Password, tap on that option once. This is the place where you control the password for your whole Google account, not just Gmail. At this point, Google may ask you to confirm your identity. If you see a field asking for your current password, type your existing Google password carefully. Make sure there are no extra spaces, since those can cause the password check to fail. When you have entered it, tap Next or the equivalent button on that screen, and you should move on to the new password page. Now you will see two boxes to enter your new password. In the first box, type the new password you want to use for your Google account. In the second box, type the same new password again to confirm it matches. If the two do not match, Google will show an error and you will need to type them again, so it helps to go slowly and double-check each letter or number as you type. A stronger password usually includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, which makes it harder for someone else to guess. With your new password typed and confirmed, look for the button that says Next. Tap Next once to save the new password. The page will briefly load, and then you should see a confirmation that your password has been changed. The change is active right away, so any other device using this Google account will now expect the new password. If one of your other devices suddenly asks you to sign in again, you can use the same new password you just created here. You have now updated your Gmail and Google account password from your iPhone using the Gmail app. If this saved you time, please consider giving it a like. It helps the next person who is stuck find this fix. And if you would like to support the channel, subscribe. It is free and truly keeps us going. Thanks for watching.